Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a wallet type, custodial for convenience or non-custodial for control. Create a new wallet and write down the 12 or 24-word recovery phrase on paper. If you plan to keep more than 000 on-chain, use a hardware wallet to store keys offline. Protect your stake account by enabling two-factor authentication, using a unique password, and never sharing private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. Back up the wallet in at least 2 secure locations. Treat your keys like cash. To deposit, log into your stake account and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Copy the exact deposit address and check the network, because sending on the wrong chain can irreversibly lose funds. Use QR scanning on mobile for accuracy, and check memo or tag fields for coins like XRP or XLM. Expect network confirmations. Many deposits require 1 to 6 confirmations before crediting the account. Be mindful of minimum amounts. Some coins accept 0.0001 BTC or equivalent. When you play, convert only what you can afford to lose and consider setting loss or deposit limits in stake settings. Use small wager units to learn game mechanics and manage volatility. For withdrawals, check the withdrawal minimums and current network fees. Transacting during low congestion can save percentages on fees. Withdrawals usually require a manual request and then network confirmations. Times range from minutes to hours depending on chain traffic. Keep records of transactions and reconcile amounts against on-chain confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.